Where are you coming from?
Father, I have good news. Finally, my search is over.
How do you mean?
I have found my wife, Father. You need to see her. She's extremely beautiful.
So, Kere, you mean to tell me that my soul can finally find rest?
Yes, my father.
God, go and call my king's men. I cannot conceive this great news alone.
Your Majesty.
Son.
Father.
You have now proven that you're a true son of his father. This calls for celebration.
Ubaga, have you heard about the letters in this community? What letters? My sister told me that at last the prince has finally made his choice of wife. Really? Yes, yes. After all the maidens in this kingdom has paraded themselves. Ubaga, I'm afraid I can't call the name. Afraid of what? Is she not a human? Yes, she's likely not a human. Ebere, will you stop this madness that affected your grandfather and talk to me? Baka, do not insult my grandfather. The prince have just choose the goddess princess. What? Goddess princess? I'm going. Baka, I'm going. Baka, don't wait for me. I'm going. You know I'm always at your back. Baka, wait for me.
Princess. What can I do for you? Welcome. Enjoy your life.
My friends, why have you refused to eat your food for the past 3 days now? Do you want to starve yourself to death? What will be, will be. No one changes destiny.
Jesus. Why is everybody against me? Even father has tagged me a lunatic. No one wants to believe my story. But I know one day I shall be waking up.
It's okay, my prince. I prepared something delicious for you.
I don't have any appetite for food right now. Okay, so I want to get out of this place.
Father must restore your freedom.
That is when I agree to dance to his tune. And you know that is the last thing I will do. Yes, that will be the last thing. Okay, so yes, it's written in your power to release me from this Holy Spirit.
My prince, it's okay. I will do everything within my powers to get you out from here. Don't worry. Let me go and get you out.
Agwacha! Dikeh! Why are you sleeping on duty?
I don't know. I was on duty throughout the night. I just slept off.
You slept off? Did you know what is the consequence? The prince is inside the palace prison. And if we lose him, the king will use you as a sacrifice. And your head will be cut off. Where are the other guards?
Guard, over there.
Go and check them. Go!
Young guard.
Next time I see you sleeping on duty,
It will never happen again.
watch your tongue. Better go back on duty.
I want the head of the Prince of Kumalo Kingdom for my festival of dance and blood this year. I would love to sit on his head as I bathe his blood. Your wish is our command, Mother. Kira! 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 Come! Come to me. Come to me.
Your only son be addressed a madman in Kumalo Kingdom. Father, I think I demand an explanation to this inhuman treatment degree against the prince.
Kezina, you are but a child that knows nothing about the norms of this kingdom. Your brother is under a spell. And until that spell is averted, he will remain under custody.
Father, what spell are you talking about? What spell are you talking about? There's nothing wrong with Kera. Prince Kera is okay. Father, I can swear with my life that he's fine.
Now you see why I say that you're nothing but a child. Which normal human being will want to marry a spirit? Not just a spirit, but the goddess princess of Kumalo Kingdom. That is total insanity. No, that boy must remain under custody until I find the root of all this.
Father, please, temper justice with mercy. Father, Prince Kera is my only brother and I wouldn't want anything to happen to him. Father, please. Father, please.
Kezina, go back to your heart. This matter is beyond you and I need to be left alone.
Father, please, please, Father, please. Father,
leave my presence now. Leave my presence.
that sound? I do.
Wise one.
Why are you here by this time of the day, great prince of Kumalo Kingdom? Because I know lions never roll for nothing. Besides, how was your journey to the forest of the goddess princess?
Wise one, that is much more why I'm here. The journey was an odyssey that added more confusion to my life.
Confusion, you said?
Yes. Her beauty is so charming. Her dance steps so captivating. Her music is so glamorously harmonic in nature, which breaks my marrows. I just can't explain. The sight of our royal maidens was so garlanded with light and highly spirited in nature for service. Wise one, I know my choice of wife is an abomination, but could it be a spell or an enchantment to love a goddess?
Kiara, that was one of the reasons I refused to go in there. But you won't listen. The same thing a dog sees and bark uncontrollable was the same a goat saw and quietly walked past.
Wise one, can I marry the goddess?
He that plays the trumpet of death should be ready to dance the dance of death. You have asked a difficult thing. Well, it can only be answered if only you answer this question.
Ask your question, wise one.
If the sun is so powerful, why can't it shine in the night as does the moon in the day?
No matter how powerful the sun is, it can never shine in the night. Because sun and night never intermingle. Just like day and night never meet.
Very good. Very good answer. So it is, Kiara. Go home and ease yourself from this mystery, because no mortal can either mingle with immortals. I hope your father is not aware of this.
Wise one, I told my father everything when I returned from the goddess forest. My father's joy was turned into sorrow when he heard my story. His king's men walked away without saying a word when they heard the name of the one I love. My father commanded that I should be locked up in the palace prison because he thought I was bewitched. But you know, as it's impossible to imprison the air, I smuggled my way out here in the quest of the one I love.
You are making a very big mistake, Kiara. You cannot marry a spirit being.
Okay. But can I be given access to talk with her?
Kiara, a trap is set for you. Your quest is born out of a spell casted on you from the underworld. This is exactly the year the goddess princess uses the head of a prince to bat. And I believe she is responsible for all that is happening to you now. She wants to use your head for her festival of dance and blood. If you doubt me, wait. Look into this calabash. I want the head of the Prince of Kumalo Kingdom.
Why would she choose the crown prince of Kumalo Kingdom?
Once after every 21 years, the goddess princess uses the head of her subject to renew her powers. And it must be a prince. This is another 21 years. And you are her target.
Wise one, I will be the last prince that will end this sacrilege in Kumalo.
There can be a way out here. If only you can be brave and very courageous. Though no one sees her and live. But because you are her target, she will not kill you until the day of our festival of dance and blood. I will want you to go and lay her into forgetting her plans. Because she is highly romantic and charming. It's in your hand to change your destiny. Take it into your hands. And do not be afraid. Because we vindicate you.
It is only the toughest that can strive to the end when the going get tough. I am ready to take my destiny into my hands. If I die, it's gain. It's better to die for something than live for nothing.
Do not let her confuse you with her wardens. Remember, she is highly romantic and charming. Many mighty warriors in time past ended their journey of life on her laps. Do not be tricked and forgotten by her romance. Always remember your mission. And don't allow your mission to crash on her laps.
I will be leaving first thing in the morning.
Farewell, great prince of Kumalo.
Thank you.
Where is my son?
Your Majesty, we have searched everywhere within this kingdom, but he's nowhere to be found.
You are speaking from the side of your mouth. Jiga, I want you to bring back my son before nightfall. I don't want you coming back to this palace telling me stories again. Else, heads will roll. Now go. Go and find him!
As it pleases you, my lord, your Majesty.
Go now!
Your Highness.
Jiga, where is my son? Why are you back here without my son? By the way, what happened? Why are you bleeding?
Your Majesty, we met him at the boundary that leads to Guyana Forest. We enticed him to follow us home, but he refused, saying he's embarking on a journey in search of his loved one, who engage him in a fight as to overpower him and bring him back home. But he fought with his mystical power and disappeared into the big tree that leads to Guyana Forest. After killing one of us, Your Highness, we tried our best, but the prince, Kiara, was no more fighting with his ordinary power. I think the gods assisted him.
Jiga, you disappointed me. Now get out of my sight.
I am sorry, Your Highness.
Sorry is the only thing you know how to say. Just pray that nothing happens to my son. Else, I'll skin all of you alive.
Your Highness.
Now go and bury the dead.
I choose 5.
Something is bothering me. Are you happy?
No.
Are you happy?
No.
How long are we going to sit here and watch that heartless goddess use our crown prince for the sacrifice of our so-called festival of dance and blood?
No, no.
Then, if your responses are all no, we need to act now.
Please, 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 Sina. I do not want to remember about that prince anymore. Is it not the same prince that molested us as the countess of dance? The one who made us to abandon our betrothed? Especially my Pego. He loves me so much.
He was supposed to be the father of my unborn children.
So my friend.
At the end of it, what happened? We were all rejected and abandoned by our loved ones. I think that serves him right. I don't even want to hear his name anymore.
Tilo. Don't forget that we are talking about our crown prince here. Let's just forget about our selfish interests and think the way out to rescue our crown prince from that heartless goddess. Please. Besides, whatever that transpired in that contest of dance was not the fault of our prince. Thank you. We are all made to understand that the prince was under a spell. A spell casted by that same goddess of ours. That is why he did not choose any of us.
Exactly.
Yes. It's not his fault at all.
Come to think of it, we are mere mortals.
Oh.
How can we fight a heartless goddess? Because if we don't trade with caution, I bet you, the hunter can turn to be hunted.
May the gods bless you.
That's true.
Yes.
You are making a point.
Fear not. Maidens of Kumalo Kingdom. Like they told us, that the goddess mother is the mother to all of us. And I believe she's going to hearken to our plea and release our crown prince. So how many of you are ready to go with me?
We are all ready to put an end to this sacrilege.
Tilo, you're not saying anything. You don't want to rescue the thing.
I do not have anything to say.
Tilo, come on, we are all in this.
Tilo.
We all are in this.
We are all affected too. Please,
Tilo.
forgive and forget.
Well, it's alright. I'll go with
my
you.
I said goodbye. Are we all ready to go now?
Yes, we are ready to put an end to this sacrilege.
Prince Kiara! Prince Kiara! Where do you think you are going?
I seek the path of my destiny, and not even you can stop me.
Which destiny are you talking about? Kiara, your destiny is to be offered as a sacrificial lamb, and there is no way that...
You lied! You lied! It is your skeletal bones that shall be used for sacrifice, and not the crown prince of Kumalo Kingdom. My destiny I seek, my destiny shall I reclaim.
Ha 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 ha! Come and reclaim your destiny. Let us see. Capture him.
Yes. My destiny I seek, and my destiny shall I get back.
This is just the beginning.
fight. Are you hearing?
Children of immortalities, we are the maidens of Kumalo Kingdom. We seek the path of peace. We are not for war. In peace we come, and in peace we shall go back. Ladies, be strong. We'll go and come back. Let's go.
Great Prince of Kumalo Kingdom, lucky are you to find favor in Marlboroughs. No mother has ever set eyes on the beauty of the goddess princess and lived to tell the story. But your case is different. You've not only seen me, but you've also felt the once welcome of the spirits. Crown Prince of Kumalo Kingdom, what do you seek?
Goddess of purity, love and power, Dikeh in majesty, supreme in authority, arrayed in glory. Who am I to be hallowed, giving this peaceful passage into the territory where you reign supreme? Thank you for sparing my life. I am full in my heart in search of my true love and mortal perfection.
Prince of Kumalo, you have spoken well. Indeed, you've proven to me that what runs through you is the blue blood of royalty. Your words are like royal spices, garnished for queens and kings. I have what you seek. But you must promise me one thing, that you will never return back to the land of the mothers. Then everything you want will be at your disposal. They shall all unfold itself at the snap of your fingers. And I shall also crown you the prince of my kingdom. You know what that means? I and my maidens shall ravishly yield to all your sexual feelings, and you shall be quickly satisfied.
Great goddess of beauty, once again I want to thank you for sparing my life and counting me worthy of this great honor to dine and wine with you. the great and dreaded one. Your condition is okay by me. If only my request is granted.
Beautiful, beautiful response, Prince Kara.
You know my name already?
Kumalo Kingdom and its totality are my subjects. The names of its habitats are written here in my palms. I chose what to do with my subjects, which you are one of them. Your father happens to be the next to donate for my festival of dance and blood.
Please, goddess of all spirits, spare the life of my father, for I know too well he can't object your request.
His life is already spared because my quests and tests are not all over till after my festival.
Why would you choose the Crown Prince of Kumalo Kingdom?
Once after every 21 years, the goddess princess chooses the head of her subject to be her.
Wow! Festival? When will this festival be commencing? Because I would love to partake.
Prince, you are the essence why this festival will commence. This festival holds after every 21 years. It is not a yearly thing.
She's one of us. Are you okay? We must leave here now. Let's go. Let's go.
I am honored. I can't wait. I must be there.
Mothers of all, my name is Zina, the granddaughter of Sakbewa, the only cripple that climbed the tallest tree in Kumalo Kingdom. We, the maidens of Kumalo, we are here to seek justice. Oh, you are the mother that we are told. You feed the poor. Oh, you give life to the lifeless. We have tread the path of human and spirit. And here we have found you. Here in my hand is the sacrifice to seek that you, mothers of all, should release our crown prince. The palace means a prince. The king's men need a prince. Accept this sacrifice and release our prince now!
Yes!
Release our prince! Yeah!
Great Mother, we keep evil without and peace within. Great Mother of life, release our son. Guardians of dance and blood, save the lives of Kumalo Kingdom. Arise, your spirit, for I am by circumstances led. From your mystical, mysterious powers, You're far, far dreadful than the mortals. I am pleading for mercy. Have mercy upon the king. Have mercy upon the people of Kumalo Kingdom. The kingdom is scattered. Oh, beautiful mother, my name is Silo, the granddaughter to Oblantamana, the great-granddaughter of Edom Koko goddess, the only woman in Kumalo Kingdom who traveled from the oceans to the rivers of no returns. Her life was spared. I gathered the life of my grandmother and my great-grandmother to save the life of our prince. Release the future king of Kumalo Kingdom. Have mercy on us. These are all the maidens of Kumalo Kingdom. So many lives were gone and buried. So many lives could not be seen in the life of Kumalo Kingdom. The kingdom is scattered. Our skin is dying and silent. Save the life of the queen! Yes! Release our prince! Release the future king of Kumalo Kingdom! Mother of all, the most beautiful goddess of all, I am Surah, the granddaughter of Leame, the most beautiful woman that I've ever seen in Kumalo Kingdom. Please, mother, I am here to plead for mercy. Please, release our crown prince. Yes, release our prince.
Our goddess princess. My name is Viale, the daughter of Le, the only woman that sacrificed herself for the future purpose of the maidens of Kumalo Kingdom. We, the ladies of Kumalo Kingdom, we have come to put an end to this sacrilege. We ask that you release our prince. Yes, release our prince.
Please, great mother of spirit, spare their lives. They are but little children. They don't know what they do. Please.
I shall be back.
Your Highness, have you seen what the stupidity of your son, of course, the innocent daughters of Kumalo Kingdom, especially my own daughter?
Sangana, shut up your mouth. Who is that your daughter? To be compared to the crown prince of this kingdom. Eh? Instead of a crown prince, he should be one of us.
Uru, I don't blame you. I don't blame you because your daughter is not among them. Those maidens are fools to have risked their life to someone who rejected them and wished to marry to a spirit instead.
My elders, it's enough. It is my son we are talking about here. Your crown prince. Who knows what the gods have determined to do amongst us? Those maidens who lost their lives were proud to do so for the crown prince. This festival can never be forgotten in this kingdom. This is no time for you to rain blames, but time for you to remain sober, because unorthodox things have befallen our great kingdom. I am very adroit of words, but I pray that the gods will give us the fortitude to bear the loss.
Your Highness, I think something bad is about to happen.
What more than the brutal killing of the crown prince? for the festival of dance and blood. Stop giving us unexpected hope.
I think the end determines the means, and I think that after the festival, we can conclude.
Don't be so confident. Do not be so sure, because no one goes there and comes back alive.
My elders, please go home and have a rethink. Kumalu Kingdom mourns for her death.
Take heart. We are mere messengers in the hand of time. No one is sure of time. Your Highness, we better take our leave.
Good morning, our royal acquaintance. We are here to make your morning gladdens with our lovely apples of love.
Kiara, you have asked a difficult thing. The secret of the goddess lies in her powers, and no one born of a woman can bring her down. She died consciously.
Wise one, I've gone too far in quest for this moment. I'd rather die than cower like a coward. Tell me what it takes to bring Oyana home.
Bringing her home is not the problem, but what follows.
We have 4 days to this festival. 4 days. I want my mission to prevail over hers.
I am the wise one of Kumalo Kingdom. I deceive no one. Why can't you stop and forget about Marinkoya?
If I were to stop, I would have done so before now. I want to go for the last fight to regain my destiny. Tell me what I want to hear.
I love your courage and your steadfastness. Take this. Now look into my eyes. If you are gods, you are a dead man.
Is that all?
That is not all. That is your first assignment. Make sure you bring her body here before you embark on your second assignment.
Wise one, why her blood?
Once the blood of any spirit in human body drops on the Mother Earth, that spirit will be rejected in the spirit world. And you know what that means. She will be granted life of the mortals, like you and I. So they always guide against that to happen to them. However, this secret is not known to all mortals. Just few that possess. You may not go. I wish you best of all.
Thank you, wise Prince of Guyana, hearken to my plea and grant me freedom. I promise I will make it up to every one of you.
Prince Kiera! This is the 7th day you talked about. Are you no more willing to be immortalized like us?
Sure, I'm very willing. But I'm not comfortable with these bonds. Please set me free.
That will be in the evening.
Come to think of it, why would the Crown Prince of Kamalu Kingdom choose to die like that? Now I know when the value of a thing is unknown, abuse becomes inevitable. Because I can't imagine myself, liberty, forsaking the crown just because I want to get married to a spirit. Who does that?
Limited, don't be too harsh on matter concerning this issue. I think the prince is on the path of destiny.
What destiny are we talking about here? Is he destined to be sacrificed by the gods?
I think he deserves the both. At least now, all the adorable maidens in this kingdom can now be mine. I pity those foolish maidens who laid their lives for him. I'm very concerned because it is a shortage on our side.
Makati, mind what you say. We're talking about the crown prince here.
And who bloody cares? Who bloody cares? Is it not the same prince that betrayed us and made our betrothers left us for the sake of nothing? And I warn you all, but especially you wouldn't listen. If not that the gods intervened, you would have been sentenced to the state of total unconsciousness.
Why are we bothering ourselves over someone who's in there, enjoying himself with the goddess? Please, brothers, let's talk about something else, okay? And forget about these old wounds, okay? It won't help us.
I hope we are still setting our traps tonight.
Yeah, I think so. So where do we gather from here?
We'll meet in my compound.
Okay. Okay by me.
Good for all of you.
What's wrong with this one?
Oh, your jaw.
Prince Kiera! Your time to be immortalized at the corner. I know you have no objection.
Yes, no objection. Please. That is exactly why I'm here in the first place. Set me free now, so that I also can enjoy the joy of freedom. Please.
Maidens of the greatest and dreaded one. Let him be loose unto his transition before the coming of a great mother.
Kingdom. You cannot stop me. You are doomed to die. Yes. Stand.
Welcome home, the Prince of Kumalo Kingdom. You are indeed a man of great value. Thank the God for the vindication that has enabled you to reclaim your destiny. Bring her in. It is unwise to start what you cannot finish, Kiara. You have 7 days to perfectly reclaim your destiny.
7 days?
Yes. You shall embark on a soul travel to the forest of Guyana this time to end her immortality.
Wise one, how do you mean?
The goddess can only be immortalized if you end her immortality. Right now, she is between 2 wars, and the immortals need her most, because that is where she belongs. If you succeed on your journey this time, she will be rejected by the spiritual world, and immortality will wear up mortality. Here and then she will be granted mortality to live like men. But if the 7 days elapse and you did not succeed, you shall in turn be mortalized. That means death.
Wise one, what exactly will I be going there to do this time?
To break the immortal air before her throne. Once that is done, she will be rejected by the immortals and be granted mortality.
Wise one, I am ready to go the distance to reclaim my destiny. It's too late, Sukawa. Now prepare me for the journey. No matter how tough the journey may turn, I am ready to die to reclaim my destiny.
Kiara, it is not easy as you think. Great battles await you.
I will fight with the last drop of my blood. Go in and prepare me for the journey.
Do not forget, it's a journey of life and death. No one goes there unprepared.
I am on a peaceful journey. Get out of my way. I am after my love quest.
Wise one of Kumalo Kingdom, the only wise son of the gods, where is my son?
Welcome to my domain, great king of Kumalo Kingdom. What you heard was true, but that was few hours back.
What do you mean, wise one? Don't tell me that my son is dead.
Your son has decided to take his life into his hands in order to reclaim his destiny. The body of your son lies lifeless in my inner chamber. As he embark on a soul travel to the forest of Guyana to end her immortality, so that he can marry her. That will take him 7 reckless days of several battles. If he succeeds, we rejoice. But if otherwise, we cannot blame the gods.
But wise one, why will you encourage my son to take such questionable risk?
I tried my best to stop him, Your Highness, but he insisted.
Who performed the rituals? Because I know that wouldn't have been possible without some enchantment.
You know your son too well, Your Highness, that he is tough and very brave. He mounted pressure on me to do it, and I was left with no choice.
Can I at least see his body?
Sure.
Where is the goddess princess?
She is the one lying there. But for now, Your Highness, I am speechless. Because our expectation will be a mere futility if the prince do not return. But if he does, she will be granted mortality to live among men.
In that case, wise one, I will come back on the 7th day to make welcome the Prince of Kumalo Kingdom. Make sure you try your best to assist him when the situation demands.
Your Highness, I shall monitor all his moves. But it is not easy as you think. Well, I will try my best.
Farewell, the great and wise seer of Kumalo.
May you live long, Madam Tuatua of Kumalo Kingdom. May the peace of the gods be with you.
Daughters of beauty! What is bigger than the ant has fallen into the hole of the ant? That mortal beast has given us a bigger hit, which I, Dana, will not fake it.
What annoyed me most was how he deceived all of us.
That mortal beast, that miserable beast, must be stopped. Else, we all are doomed before the arrival of our goddess, princess.
No, let's chance our rhythm.
I am the last woman standing. Defeat me and reclaim your destiny, you little rat. What if you can't? There ends a journey of recklessness. Fool. Prince Kiara, the great prince of Command Kingdom, get up and reclaim your destiny. Oh, how are the mighty father who gave you the infant
don't.
Prince Kiara, reach out the egg close to you. That is her life. Scatter it with your bare hands, and she will be shattered into pieces.
Listen, please drop that egg. You are hurting me.
Stop where you are. You old fool. Listen to me. My destiny I seek after, not even you can stop me. They say he that laugh last, laugh the best. In my days shall the handwriting of the war be changed. And in my time shall the immortal be immortalized.
Prince Kiara, please spare my life. The passage is now open for me. Go and get the egg. But please don't break that egg. Hold it.
Old fool, hear me. My time is off. So is yours!
Wise one, this is the 7th day. What is still keeping my son in the world of the spirit?
Yogo yogo no do yogo yo. Yogo yogo no do. Hakapara kwa yeku no kurulene na magaba. Yogo yogo no do. The prince is in a very big nest. If he cannot break out before 6 hours, that means he is gone.
Wise one, can't you render a helping hand to rescue him from the nest?
Whoever that beat the trumpet of death should be ready to dance the dance of death. Prince Kiara's fight is spiritual. He and he alone is required in the fights. No helping hand is needed.
Gods of Kumalo Kingdom, please protect and vindicate my son so that he can make it back home.
World. Why come to my world, Guyana, my goddess princess? Wow, my destiny I sought, my destiny have I reclaimed. People of Kumalo, fear not, for Guyana ceased to be a spirit. She is now like one of us. Today I present to you the next Habrata of Kumalo Kingdom. You're welcome.
Thank you.
It is a joyful day. A joyful day. A joyful day.
Father, you're here dancing alone. Why the villagers are dancing with Guyana and Prince Kiara?
My princess, I am too excited to go out there and dance before my people. I may disgrace myself. I am not only happy that my son is back. I am happy because Guyana, who has been terrorizing this kingdom, is now a martyr. So I have no reason to go out that way.
Father, please now come with me now. Father, I can't wait. I'm going.
So I am